going on, guys? It is Monday evening. I'm out at Lowe's, my neighborhood, and they're clearancing out all the Hitachi stuff. Check this out. We got the 12 volt, half-inch, 18-volt hammer drill combo with 3 amp-hour battery for 89 bucks. They're getting rid of the 12-volt stuff. 12-volt kit here. Got the drill. It's not a hammer drill. It's a standard drill. Impact driver and cheap little incandescent flashlight. 89 bucks, but it comes with 2 batteries and a charger. So if you're looking to get in to the Metabo HPT line, now's your time, guys. Run over to Lowe's and check it out, because they're getting rid of all this stuff. I think I'm going to get this because I want to get the triple hammer impact driver, but I don't have any batteries or chargers. So if I get this, then I can find the triple hammer impact driver, because I really want to get that. They got the Sawzalls on clearance. That's a good price, 89 bucks. They got the combo kit here. Comes with 2 batteries, looks like. 2 3s for 200 bucks. So this, you get the recip, hammer drill, impact recip, and the light, which is incandescent, it's not LED. But still, you get 2 3s, charger for 200 bucks, that's not bad. And they got a whole bunch of them, a whole stack of them. Tell you what, this Lowe's is just dead. There's nobody here at all. That's a good deal. Dang. I kind of want this little 12-volt set, but yet I want this hammer drill too. I should have done this live so you guys can chime in and tell me what to get. We got the Craftsman stuff too, so I was thinking about getting a new Craftsman impact driver and putting that up against the Ryobi and the Makita just to see what kind of numbers it can put up. Where is it? Right here. Which essentially is just a different colored 887. I mean, it even sounds the exact same. So you have this kit. You get 2 2s for $139, which isn't that great of a deal, honestly. They're clearancing out all the older brushed stuff. So you get the combo kit, the brushed hammer drill, $139. Where was it? They got the brushed impact driver, the older one. I think it was like 69 bucks is going for it. All kinds of stuff. They're getting rid of all the old brush stuff. And they still have the here's Kobalt. I don't know anything about Kobalt. I've never used a single Kobalt tool ever. Maybe I should get this. They got the impact kit here. Comes with the battery and charger for hundo. Is this the hammer drill? See, this is the hammer drill. It's just a drill driver kit. Can never get the dang hammer drill. See, this is the big one I want. Let's see what else they got here. Ooh, is it the hammer drill down there? Comes with a handle. Reed, 24 volt max, Kobalt, compact drill driver kit. Comes with a 5-year warranty. Has anyone ever messed with the Kobalt warranty? Have you guys sent anything in? I wonder if it's any good. I was at Menards the other day, and there's this older guy. He was looking for drill bits. He's like, honey, look for a drill bit that says made in the USA. I look at him, I go, it's all made in China, dude. There's nothing made in the States. He goes, well, that's why I voted for Trump. I just laughed at myself. I'm like, dude, you have no clue, buddy. Anyways, what do you think? Should we do the Kobalt? Should we get the Hitachi? Should we get the Craftsman to put up against the Ryobi? So many choices, so little money. I want to get this too. I want to check out this Bosch. I know it's an older kit, but they got the 12 volt Bosch kit going for, it's $129. Where's the kit price? I was just looking at these online. They're super cheap. Yeah, $129 for the Bosch kit. So you get the little impact driver and the drill. I've heard good things about this too. I really want to do some testing on the 12 volt line. Like, I really wouldn't mind putting up this against the Milwaukee, so on and so forth. And here's the new Dewalt 12 volt stuff. This I actually really like. These are some good deals, still 99 bucks. You have the 2 batteries. And now they just put out the, oh, this is the 2 amp. They had a 3 amp out for a minute. Where'd that go? Hard to do everything one-handed. All right, here we go. They got on the end cap. So 3.0, 49 bucks. Bing, 1 bar, bing, bing. These little battery packs are so tiny and cute. It's just hilarious. Oh, so you haters out there who are hating on my video, the impact wrench. You know, this one has the precision mode in gear 1. Where is it? Right here. Right here. See? Not the standard impact. So precision mode on this doesn't really do anything. And the guy was arguing with me. It's like, maybe it does, but it doesn't have enough strength to drill in a 1 1/4 inch sheetrock screw into a 2x4. So I don't know how much power they're expecting to get out of that one. It doesn't do nothing. So essentially it's just mode 1 and mode 2 or high-low, which is fine. It works really well. Bosch. Again, never really done much with Bosch. I did some testing on the Freak Gen 3. This is the 1, 2, this is the 3. You can tell the 3 because it's got the longer handle and it's got the option for the wire Wi-Fi chip. Not Wi-Fi, Bluetooth Connect. Duh. Very nice. This thing has some good numbers on it. I want to say it's 1,800 foot-pounds of torque. So if you're looking for a dual-purpose impact, the Bosch is really good. And they have the big core batteries, which have the 21,700 cells in it. Oh yeah, check it out. Here's their Metabo spot, empty. So they must be getting ready to load up the new H.P.T stuff. And this is the older stuff here, but the new stuff. You know what I mean? Not much else here, guys. Angle grinders. I got plenty of those. Don't need any more. I always wanted to try this boombox out here, this radio, and also this little 12 volt bandsaw I heard good things about too. I got the Dewalt double bevel miter saw, compound miter saw, $349. That's not bad. These prices, this is ridiculous right here. This is 24 bucks. These are, I think, I just got this for $14 at Home Depot with that new tough case. These cases are slick. See, this is the older case I was talking about right here. These don't snap together. You gotta get the one with the clear lid. These ones work really well. Let's see. I was thinking also getting the 888 impact driver and putting that up against something, but they never have it in the store. These are always just the 887. What is this? That's nothing. It's drill, impact driver. I don't want to touch these things and start screaming at you if you just bump them. Oh, yeah, 887. It's so funny you can't get an 888 in store. 885, 885. Who's gonna buy an 885? No offense to Dewalt fans out there, but what is this? $10? See, that's nothing. 31-piece set. You get 2, 4, 5, 6 2-inch bits and 1 4-inch bit. No good. They have this down to 14, but there's nothing in there. It's just small bits. You had 5 2-inch bits. This? Ooh, what's that? 20 bucks? I don't think so. Alright guys, man. I got the nailers too. But, you know, I don't know much about the nailers, I'll be honest with you.